Master 7 from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, reporting live from Times Square, letting you guys know we're thinking about y'all. Any automotive concerns, repairs that you may need, feel free to give us a call at 919-539-7265 or stop by the shop at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Y'all have a nice day.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, located at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Boom! Encore to the core. Get that on out the way. You know, you gotta be corny sometimes. Check it out. We got a 2013 Ford Escape, and we're installing a left foot gas pedal. The reason why I got my face shield on and my safety goggles, because I gotta cut off a little of the rod so that it will fit correctly in the vehicle. Let me show you what I'm talking about right here. The base plate is going to mount here, and the rod was protruding out, hitting here on the rest portion of the floorboard for your left foot. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come over here to this rugged workbench of mine. I'm going to set up this camera, and we're going to perform a cut. We're going to cut here. Let's see if I can get this. Hacksaw, ready to go. Don't forget to oil your air tubes. Moving parts. Friction. We're going to need to take off a little more because we can't have this rod right here hung up or interference by no means. It'll cause the brake pedal to not release. It'll cause the gas pedal not to release properly. So we're going to cut off just a little more. I may even cut on this side of the tape this time to give the proper clearance we need.